Hello and welcome, everyone. Have you been thinking in this lockdown that how will you continue to grow your business, or maybe grow or be promoted in your job? Or how will you manifest more money? What do you think about money? Do you think that money is equivalent to abundance in your life? And then what is the idea of prosperity? And even if you feel that somewhere in your heart you do connect with these words, and you have been wishing to explore more in this area, and you feel that you need to really enhance your vibrations, to create, to invite prosperity in your life, to increase your earnings, to support your businesses to grow, to support yourself, to feel more safe about money, to have more money, to be abundant, and to really feel this energy in your heart, in your life, and celebrate this with your family. I invite you to a very, very beautiful, very beautifully planned and designed workshop on embracing prosperity. So, what are we going to do in this workshop called as Embracing Prosperity? We are going to have 3 days of live calls with you all, where we will share very powerful, very easy, yet extremely interesting methods of manifestation. You must have heard about manifesting money, creating money, but how do we do that? Is it really possible? बिकॉज जितना हमने सुना है पैसा तो फिर एक रियलिस्टिक चीज है, तो हम ये आंखों में बंद करके या उसको देख के हम पैसा मैनिफेस्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं? When we understand the deeper reality of our lives, and even today, we have studied it in our science lessons, that all of us are nothing but energy. The quantum world sees everything as atoms. So what are we, and what is money? Aren't we all energy? हम लोग लगातार एक वाइब्रेशन में वाइब्रेट कर रहे हैं. वी ऑल आर वाइब्रेशंस एंड वी आर ब्यूटिफुली वाइब्रेटिंग एट सम फ्रीक्वेंसी. And just like everything else, money also has a frequency. If you listen to radio in your car, and whenever you want to change the frequency and change the music that you're listening to, or maybe the news that you're listening to, you change the frequency. So when you want to manifest money, when you want to embrace prosperity, जब आप अपनी जिंदगी में और भी संपन्न महसूस करना चाहते हैं, समृद्ध महसूस करना चाहते हैं, let us to come together and support the shift in this frequency, where we really learn about beautiful methods of understanding that how the beautiful spiritual tools can help us really raise our vibrations. How can we really rewire our mind, rewire our thoughts, and invite more energy to beautifully create this prosperity that we can really enjoy within ourselves, with our families, and with all our loved ones, and we can share with the world as well, right? So I invite you, I really from my heart send this invite to each one of you to join me in this workshop with Soul Setu on embracing prosperity, happening on 11th, 12th, and 13th September 2020. Here we will learn on 3 different days about different methods about understanding how to anchor this energy, how to create this energy, and what is the science of rituals. Why do cultures like Hinduism, Egyptians, and shamans, and so many other cultures all across the world, what is the common thing in their rituals? How can and is ritual only doing worship? Not really, right? So what is this art of celebrating something and creating that in our lives? We will understand that as well to support our manifestation of money. So let us join on 11th, 12th, and 13th September, and we will be richly supplied with such beautiful information, such beautiful wisdom, and very beautiful meditation practices. With each session, you will also be given takeaways to take back, which will be available to you for lifetime. And even after the 3 days of the workshop, you will be given post-workshop support to support your journey, to support your creation of money, to support your creation of prosperity, and live your life abundantly. Thank you so much for listening to me. And I'm really looking forward to see you in our workshop with Soul Setu on embracing prosperity. Thank you so much.